Happy Saturday. It is December 3rd. I'm up and at it. Kayla's still asleep for a little bit longer, sleeping in. I got up a little bit early, although it's not that early. It's almost 9 o'clock. Because Team USA is playing versus the Netherlands in the round of 16 of the World Cup. So definitely going to be watching that. We're going to have a fun day. Lebanon is having their Christmas Extravaganza starting today and tomorrow. So we're going to go down there later on today. But first, got to watch Team USA. USA unfortunately lost, so it's time to get on with our day. Now we're going to make some breakfast sandwiches, and then we're going to get prepped and ready to head to downtown Lebanon. It's going to be a fun day. This brunch is coming together quickly. Kayla is making us some brunch Sammies.
We use what we have in the fridge.
Yes.
Working on this pretty good.
Here's our beautiful breakfast sandwich.
So this video's been all over the place, you guys. We can't focus, but we're getting there. We're getting there now today.
Finally out and about, coming to check out another new brewery here in the Lebanon area. Trying not to slip in this mud.
Ooh, I know.
10 Lakes Brewing Company. Woo! Gonna go try some new local beer.
I'm excited. I'm fiending.
Yeah, you look cute in your Santa Claus sweater.
I look like a mom that's about to bake some cookies for her kids.
Yeah. Ordered us a beer flight. Now we're thinking about getting a little shareable. You know.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it does. The pizza smells really good, but it's not time to eat pizza yet. Had to get a flight so we can test all the different ones. They look good, don't they? Mm-hmm. Got us some what are these called? Pepperoni puffs? Puffs? Yeah. Yeah, they look good. Well, this is officially my favorite urinal I've ever peed in. It is like, okay. That is so freaking cool. We have parked downtown and now we're heading into the festivities. You see all the popo and everybody. I like all the window.
Oh, yeah, I like all the window art. That's
window
cute.
art on there.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a sweatshirt. What's this place?
Nashville Clothing.
I've never heard of this.
Yeah, they're new. I remember seeing them on Instagram.
It's cute. But we could get us a drink and then go to the boutiques because I think they stay open like that.
Yeah. Got ice skating over there on a piece of plastic. We got carriage rides over here. We're gonna head over to Cedar City Brewing. Get us a Colden.
Blue, blue, blue Christmas.
Backlit. There's a Christmas tree.
It's gonna be lit tonight.
Got us a couple of beers. We're upstairs at Cedar City. Kayla's perfectly lit from the sun.
Well, it's so bright outside.
I know, the sun's so bright. You see all the festivities going on out there. Pretty sweet. And we got us a good beer.
I wouldn't know this.
In a few minutes, Nicole and I are going to walk over the tree.
All right, Maribel, you ready? All right, he gave me the signal. You ready, Melanie? Ready. All right, we're going to start at 5. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Stick around. Sarah's coming up. So Sarah Simron's at the
Christmas!
We're going to be
Get our friends on our pretty.
and then we'll move on to the
They didn't understand it, and I tried to make them see. One is only part, only if they choose to be.
It's so cute. A nice stranger took our photo. Look how cute it is. It's true, we never get to take.
Town Square Social. We just got a drink and we've ordered some food. We both got hot chicken. I got the hot chicken pizza and she got the hot chicken tacos. So our mouths are going to be about to be on fire. It's Christmas time in Lebanon. We got my favorite hot chicken pizza. And Kayla got hot chicken tacos. Those look so good.
So good.
There's no way we're going to eat all this food though.
No, we'll just nip.
Yeah.
Just eat it.
What are they about to start right there? We ate half the pizza and 2 of the tacos. That's our favorite hot chicken. We've never even had Hattie B's or Princess. You can't beat this. This is so good.
So good.
And guess what? No real line you have to wait in.
No. Keith Urban in there. Keith Urban in there.
Keith Urban. Had a blast at the Lebanon Extravaganza today. We'll be back tomorrow for the parade. We're headed home now. Got our leftovers. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. We are back home now. Came out on the front porch because I got to get a package and check our mail. But we're gonna have a little bit of fun at home and just relax. It was so much fun on the square. Had an amazing dinner at Town Square. We hadn't eaten there in forever. Their hot chicken, pizza, and tacos are amazing. We obviously have leftovers for that, so probably have that for dinner tomorrow or something like that. But gonna get inside and enjoy some Christmas festivities at home with the dogs and the wife. This is also my favorite new Christmas decoration for our front yard. Finally got this sign. We saw it last year at home and finally got it this year. It was sold out last year. Look how good it looks with our house, with the rest of our lights. Next year I'm gonna add even more lights. Got the candles up there in the top windows. You can see Santa Claus is not lit up. Usually Santa's lit up. You can see our other Christmas tree. Man, we have a pretty yard. Even got a little bit of lights in the tree. I'm gonna do a better job of that next year too. But this Merry Christmas vintage sign, how awesome is that? Let go. You little turd, I was gonna throw it for you.
Hey.
Go get it.
Frankie's bride. What about Frankie's bride?
Have a kitchen.
Snow is falling. Have the party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl.
You might be in trouble. We've done every Christmas song that exists. Done it. Guys, I have an idea.
I thought he was singing to the microphone.
Get that on my phone. That's so cute.
Stars are brightly shining.